Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well today. Today we're going to be making a decorative vase. To do that you're going to need a vase. You can use whatever type of vase that you like. I have this beauty that I got from Walmart. Sorry about that. That was my attack dog. As I was saying, I got this beauty from Walmart, and this is what I'm going to be using. You're also going to need some flowers. These are what I have. I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure how many of these or what variations I'm going to use, but it will be, I think, the roses. You're also going to need some paint. Now, I'm going to use, this is metallic blue sapphire, and it's Flolkart paint. I am also going to use this white spray paint. This is Color Place. It's a Walmart brand. It's cheap, but it'll achieve what I need to get done. So I'm going to, I'm trying to get you up a little bit higher. I'm going to spray my vase with the white paint first and then paint it with the sapphire blue paint. You're also going to need some diamond wrap. I think I'm going to use diamond wrap, and I have these mirrored glass pieces that I got from Amazon. I think they're like 3/8 inches by 2 inches. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to use and what order I'm going to use, but that's why it's a DIY. You do it your way. If you decide that you want to use another color, you're more than welcome to do that. This is just what I'm doing. So with that being said, I'm going to go spray my vase, and once it dries, I'll be back. Okay everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now I have sprayed my vase white. I'm not sure. I used some cheap white paint, so I think that's why that's cracked like that, but hopefully we can cover that up. But this is the way that it looks. Remember, I put the initial blue base coat down, and then I sprayed it white. So now what I'm going to do is start with my first coat of the metallic sapphire blue paint. Okay, I'm back and my vase is dry. This is the way that it turned out. I think it turned out beautifully. So now we're going to decorate it. And I was a little undecided on what I was going to do, but I'm going to use this flower gem wrap to decorate it, and then I'm going to use one of the mirror glass towels to go in between those two. I'm going to do a couple and let you see what I'm going to do. I won't do them all on camera because it's a long, tedious adventure. So I'm just going to do a couple and I'll let you see. And yes, I am using my clear grip Gorilla Glue to put these on. Okay, this is what we're looking like. We're all done. I'm gonna go and style it. I think that turned out so pretty. And then I'll be back to let you see the completed finished product. And here's our finished product. I think this came out so beautifully. Blue is my favorite color, maybe you can tell. I just love the way this blue turned out. And if you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that bell twice so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. If you are a returning viewer, I thank you for returning. Don't forget to share. Hit that like button. If you enjoy these types of videos, leave me a comment down below, please, just to let me know. If you enjoyed this video, just leave me a little comment down below, a heart, or anything to say that you enjoyed this video. Again, I enjoyed making this. It was a little tedious, but I enjoyed making it. I love how it turned out. I hope your day has been well and your evening will be even better. Until next time, I'll see you at my next DIY.